welcome back to Traction RC, guys. Today I got a Hightrail used by me and my brother traded, or I bought it off of him. Oh fuck, just focusing on the octopus. 3D printed fidget right there. Yeah. Let me show. So today I want to talk about what I've been doing to this, and yeah. First off, I want to talk about the wheels and tires. I originally got these for my TRX4M Bronco, but these, I printed new hexes for these. They're bigger but still loose. So we see how that goes. Also in the body, this off real quick. Some 3D printed shock towers, or shock mounts, we want to call it. Like an LCD shock mount, you got many shock holes, and then you put them vertical like that. Get you more articulation and flex and stuff. That's pretty good. Everything else is stock, pretty much. All the electronics, battery, motor, ESC, servo, links, drive shafts, shocks, axles, differentials, diff covers are stock. Yeah. You can see with the light, you can see all the scratches and stuff. It's focusing on the octopus. You can see all the scratches on the windows, the body, bumper. Yeah. Also, I 3D printed and mounted these toe mirrors I found on Maker World. Everything I 3D printed is from Maker World. I don't design anything. It's all on Maker World. I don't get on Cold 3D, nothing. Fuck is pretty good right now. We just have to make sure that the wheels are good. They're wobbly now, but yeah. I did 3D print this this toolbox for it, but as you can see, it's too big. I don't know if I printed. I'm pretty sure it's 1/24 scale size. I mean, that should be. It's too big though. So next in the video, I'm gonna go crawl this out on the course, and then after that, I'll talk about what my plans are for this truck, what I want to upgrade on it and stuff, all the accessories on the body, and yeah. All right, guys. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting the stock wheels and tires on, and I'm switching back to the stock hexes. You may ask why. First of all, with the stock hexes, the bead locks, it doesn't the hot hexes wobble like the same thing on these. You just wobble and stuff. And the thread, whatever you want to call it, where the nut goes, it's like it's too short, so the nut won't like screw all the way into it. So then it'll be loose and stuff, and it fell off while I was filming. And these tires, they were like rubbing on the body a bit. So yeah, I'm switching back to these. And it's nighttime right now, so I can't really crawl outside right now, but probably tomorrow. So just gonna put these hexes back on, stock hexes, and then we're good to go. I'm gonna do like a little time lapse of me installing. Also, when it fell off of like the bridge on the course, and the 3D printed shock tower snapped. So probably gonna print one of those either tomorrow or tonight, It'll probably be fixed up by tomorrow. So yeah. Yeah, time lapse. Alright guys, got the stock tires back on, stock wheels. This is what you guys are being stood up on, by the way. My phone was being stood up on. Where did I put that cooler? Oh, this cooler. This little Coleman cooler I found on Maker World. I scaled it down. It was a 110 scale size. Scaled it down to 50%, I'm pretty sure. And fits fine in here. I got something else printing for it too right now. So yeah, then I'll probably print the shock tower next. And next time you see me recording or see this truck, will probably be tomorrow morning or just tomorrow. And yeah, see ya. Alright guys, it is the next day, and oh, sorry, I sneezed. But we got I 3D printed the shock tower, and do a little time lapse of me putting that on. Yeah. Alright guys, we got that all fixed up, and yeah. Okay, also last night put this little box right here. Just put all the screws and stuff on it, but it's a little toolbox, I guess, storage box that goes in the bed right here. Looks nice. Alright guys, so I was trying to look at a little time lapse of me putting this together, but the screw like snapped that part. But I guess I'm just gonna hot glue this together and just not use it for anything inside of it. Yeah. Also for the cooler, printing something for that right now. So I think what I'm gonna do now is take the Hightrail out, test it, see how it's doing right now, and then yeah, probably after that I'll hot glue the all this together and put it in the bed, and put the cooler in the bed. On the top. Alright, yeah, see ya. Alright, we're out, you guys. We're out here on the course. Let's go. Now we got the proper wheels and tires on here. I think it'll be a better run than what I tried to last time off camera. Or, I did on camera, but all the I just deleted all the videos. I didn't plan on using them in the video because it's so bad. Look through the tunnel right here. What's going on? There we go. So part here. up here. Car in here so hard. Car to fall. Truck. You got it. You got it. Good. Go with the teeter-totter. Very nice. Uh-oh. What we got? Ah, falling. Oh. Let's go. Try to get up here first. What's going on here? Oh! Try it again. Nice, you got it. Go this way now. Up. Got it. Up. And we're go this way. Come back this way. Go around the wood. Oh! Try that again. Nice. Just gotta take it slow. This is where things get tricky. Trying to get down the bridge. Now, you gotta be careful here. There's no drag brake on this thing. Nice. Part. With a wave. Nice tunnel through a wave. Come on. This rock is stuck. I gotta head inside because my phone's about to overheat, or it's overheating. But yeah, the Hightrail did good, and see you back inside. Alright guys, this thing did pretty well. I just need to put these little cola bottles. I sealed them down. Fellas on Maker World. Everything I print is on Maker World. So these will go in the cooler. Just like that. It's cool. Now, what we're gonna do is have my hot glue gun right here. We are going to glue this together and put the cooler in the bed. Alright guys, so we got the box in there. I think I put it in more to the right to the left, but that's okay. Put the cooler right in the left corner of the rear of the bed. That looks nice. Now let me tell you what upgrades I want to put on this thing. What I want to get for this is the Endura 180 Pro. I didn't know this was touchscreen. Endura 180 Pro 48-turn purple brush motor with the steel pinion. Next up, the Endura stainless steel transmission gear set. This is the 43-1. I don't know how to say it. 43-1. I got the same setup with the purple brush motor and these gears on my Bronco. So those were good. That's a good setup. So yeah, I like those a lot. Next up, we got the brass steering knuckles with the counterweight kit. And I want these in the front so they get more weight. The more weight in the front, the better. Next up, we got the Little Guy Racing Parts black label 57 millimeter 1.0s. I think these would work good with the Hightrail. Let me guys know if these would even fit on there, guys. It only says 124 RC cars. Let me guys know in the comments if you think that these would fit on that. And last but not least, we have the Endura 1.0 offset wheels, beadlocks with the brass rings. And I think the brass ring, I'll just use the brass ring, or I should just get the black beadlocks and then only get 2 brass rings, or get 4 and then put only 2 in the front. Get that front weight straightened out. And the subtotal is fuck. What? 193. Alright guys. Wrap it up here. Let me show you a couple of things I did to the accessories. So, you guys already glued the cooler in the little box here in, but I also added a couple other things. So, I put this little crate or basket, we want to call it, right here. We got a gas can, a couple of jack stands, and a little drill right there. Then you've got another little smaller crate right here. Then you got your little crawler right there and your transmitter right next to it. And also, just printed this, and I printed and just installed this exhaust for it a minute ago. I think that looks cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if those black labels, Little Guy Racing Parts black labels, those 57mm ones would work good with this. And if those Andorra B-locks would fit on these hexes. But yeah. Like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions or suggestions. And yeah. See you.